Welcome to Bob Jones Realtor. In this special video on the demolition of the former Sears store at the Devonshire Mall in Windsor, we'll explore the rapid progress of the project. The demolition began in mid-July 2024 and is expected to take several months to complete. In the first video, in August of 2024, it shows the building being deconstructed. A little over a month later, the Sears building is now piles of rubble being sorted for recycle. There is another building being torn down. It's the Firestone Tire Store in the northeast part of the Sears parking lot. On a personal note, the more I capture video of heavy machinery and the operator's skill in manipulating these large tools of construction and destruction, I'm fascinated. Let's watch a professional at work as we explore the future of this space in the Devonshire, Windsor's busiest mall. Over the years, the Firestone building became closely associated with Sears, one of the mall's original anchor tenants. When the Devonshire Mall opened in 1970, it featured a Simpson Sears store, which later became simply Sears. This store was a hub for shoppers, offering everything from clothing to home goods. For nearly 5 decades, the Firestone building served various purposes. It housed Sears automotive services, tire sales, and other retail operations. Even after Sears Canada ceased operations in 2018, the building found new life as a pop-up Halloween store and a COVID-19 vaccination clinic. Now, in October 2024, the Firestone building is being torn down. This marks the end of an era, but also the beginning of new possibilities. The Demolition will open up 7.3 hectares of prime real estate, paving the way for exciting new developments. According to Alex Avery, CEO of Primaris, the real estate investment trust that owns the Devonshire Mall, the space will be a blank canvas for future development. Options range from additional retail spaces to residential units, potentially transforming the area into a vibrant mixed-use community. The future of this location is bright, with plans for new retail stores, residential units, and even potential hotel spaces. The redevelopment aims to meet the growing needs of Windsor's community. This transformation is expected to boost local economy and enhance the mall's appeal. As we bid farewell to the Firestone building, we look forward to the exciting changes ahead. Stay tuned for more updates on this transformative project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Windsor's evolving landscape. Thank you for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.